They thought they could kill me. No laptop nor human can destroy me.
Hey, are you there? Hey, listen, we're getting our butts kicked right here. I was there to help you when you needed me. And all I'm asking is you to return the favor. I know the last time we met didn't go well, but this is about Earth. I know where it's hiding, but I can't risk telling you an open conflict like this. I have a map. I'll come meet you at our old spot.
Young one, all friends in the kingdom of humanity are all falling. We, you, may be there and our only hope of defeating the Roomba revolt.
But Sensei, my training hasn't been completed.
You will learn along the way, young one. I'm getting too old to go out there now. You must go. Defeat the evil Roomba. You will find a human along the way. He's where the old kingdom was. Return here once your mission is complete.
Hey, what are you doing here?
I'm on my way to defeat the evil Roomba.
You? You're so tiny, like a little baby.
Hey!
Hey, I'm right though. Aw, crap. Hey, I'll hold him off. You go in and do your job. not bad for a gnome.
Not bad for a human.
Hey, that's our ride.
Word of your victory has already rang far. Good job, young one.
Thank you, Sensei. I'm sorry about your friend.
He was a great warrior. He shall be remembered. I am getting old. My time is near. You, young one, you must take my mantle.
But...
Hush, hush. You are ready.
Thank you. What do I do now?
Join the humans. Continue our battle.
We're gonna search for underpants, hey. We won't stop until we have underpants. Yum, tum, yummy, tum, hey. Time to go to work. We're gonna search for underpants, hey. We won't stop until we have underpants. Yum, tum, yummy, tum, hey. Time to go to work. We're gonna search for underpants, hey. We won't stop.